let's bring it to a vote. Yes, that's called hypocrisy. It is. I'm not disputing that. It is hypocritical. But guess what? The Democrats would do the same damn thing. They would be just as hypocritical as the Republicans. And the fact is that elections have consequences, and Trump, as a president, should fulfill his constitution by nominating a new Supreme Court justice. And what happens in the Senate? Democrats will do the exact same thing if conditions were favorable to them. That's it. Hypocritical? Yes. Lots of noise made with Merrick Garland? Yes. Now, senators, in many cases, and we can list off the names who are on video saying we did, are they now taking a position of, oh, whoever Trump's going to take? Yes, it's hypocritical, but it's politics. And again, if the shoe was on the Democrats' foot, they would be taking advantage and ramming it through. Simple as 800, and I'm going to get into a little more depth here because there's some interesting nuances that I want to deal with. We ought to look into the legacy of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. That's important. I'm not going to bore you. She did lead a remarkable life. Even if you disagree with the bulk of her rulings and her positions, you still have to respect the woman. And I can, even if I disagree with the bulk of her opinions. That's just the bottom line. And then, of course, I want to get a little more depth here on the Battle Royale, on the steel cage grudge match that is staring us right in the face. And yeah, this is going to get ugly. This is going to get nasty. You're going to get all kinds of accusations flying all over the place. So we're going to dive in. And also, what the most Americans say. What the most Americans say. Should, only once, should Trump nominate a new Supreme Court justice right away? And should they move toward confirmation? Yes or no? And this is very telling as well. So we're going to dive into all of that coming up here on Schmidt. So stand by. This half hour of Schmidt brought to you by Home Advisor. 5 and higher home professionals for